Hello, it's Cindy Novotny with your Monday Mentor Moment. And yes, shocking, I'm at an airport. Just another city, just another day. Got my luggage. Yes, I can't travel lightly anymore. Got too much I gotta carry. But let me just talk about something. I don't know how many of you have ever seen Mad Men or the episode where Don Draper shows Kodak that it's not a wheel that shows all those pictures, it's a carousel. Well, when I got down to baggage claim today, they said your bags are on carousel number 8. And it dawned on me, this is also a carousel. And the emotions involved in the Mad Men episode was all about the memories and really what it's like to be nostalgic. Well, I'm nostalgic about travel. For 17, going on 18 months, I have hit the road. Yeah, this hasn't been easy. Definitely it's a little bit of trouble, but I've got better memories than a lot of people that decided to stay home. You see, I believe that this carousel is just like it is for a child, just like Mad Men explain. It goes around just like a carousel that a child would get on. You know, I look at it every time I'm getting ready to leave a hotel, and I know you're gonna think this is weird. I look at the hotel and think, oh, I'm gonna miss you, bye. I know people that are like, oh, I can't wait. No, I love getting home, but I have great memories from where I left. And then when I arrive and I pick up my luggage, and I'm always glad it's there, I have excitement and really thinking about where I'm gonna go and what I'm gonna do in this new destination. Remember, life is like a carousel. It just keeps going around and around, and all we have to do is embrace it. So if you think traveling right now is too tough because of all the restrictions and the masks and all the things that we have to go through and getting our tests and our COVID and all this, I got news for you. I'm gonna have a lot of stories and a lot of memories. And for those of you that didn't jump on that plane, you're gonna wonder what you missed. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.